Yeah. Yeah. So when are we going to see pictures? Hi. Okay, write it down. I'm doing video. I'll call you right back. Bye. And who are you on the tie-out over here? Hi. You're a very nice dog, too. And who are you all the way over here? Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. You're a big, big, big boy or girl. Hi. Hi. This is just one side of the shelter and all the many, 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 many dogs in need. Every spot is full. Every spot is full with multiple 2, 3, 4 dogs. We need help. We need lots of help. Here's more puppies. Hi, sweetheart. Here's more dogs back here. So my roommates are out at the adoption vent. And we come around and we have puppies. Of course, some are out. And puppies. And puppies. And more puppies. And more puppies. And more puppies. Oh my God! Why are you guys locked in here?